everybody, it's Jen Delisle with Keller Williams and Inspire Realty Group. We're here today at 22 Salem Street in Manchester, New Hampshire. Super cute cape, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, great location right on the Bedford line, super close to everything. Come inside and take a look. Once inside, you'll find the kitchen with updated appliances is open into the dining area with plenty of space to entertain. The water-resistant vinyl plank flooring is throughout most of the first floor and flows into the living room. There's also a full bath and the first of 3 bedrooms, as is the first floor laundry. Upstairs, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms with ample and charming built-in storage. And in the lower level, there's finished space, perfect if you work from home or have guests that may like to stay. There's also a 3/4 bath as well as room for storage. Outside, you'll find a flat fenced-in yard with room to play. The swing set stays, as does the outdoor TV case, but the chicken coop is going with the owners. Thanks for checking out 22 Salem Street in Manchester, New Hampshire. We hope you enjoyed our sneak peek. This house will be listed very soon. This house has a lot of upgrades and features, so be sure to ask for that list as we'll have that posted as well. Thanks so much.